Hey everyone, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to switch your Uber Eats delivery method from a bicycle to an electric bike, guys. This can actually be a great move if you want to keep, the ease of biking, but you would like a little extra power for those longer delivery, guys. Let's go through this step by step. So first things first, guys, you actually want to open the Uber app, okay? The Uber driver app on your phone. This is the app you use to log in and manage all your Uber Eats deliveries. So first things first, guys, you actually want to navigate to account settings. Just tap on your profile picture or, the account icon, which you'll find at the top left of the screen, right? This will open your account settings where you can make the changes to your delivery vehicle. So you just want to go to vehicles. So in the account settings, you just want to look for the option that says vehicles, or sometimes it's called manage vehicles. And this is where Uber keeps track of your current delivery method and any other vehicle options that you might use. So what you want to do basically, guys, is just add a new vehicle. So to switch to an electric bike, you'll need to first add it as a new delivery option. Just look for the add vehicle. Just look for add vehicle or add delivery method button and just select this and you'll see a list of delivery methods. What you want to do, guys, is choose electric bike. Now, just like any other vehicle change, Uber may require some documentation. So you might have to be prepared to upload, a valid photo ID or any other, guys, requested details to actually verify your account. And look, Uber bike setups might need, additional verification. So just follow the app's instructions. And then, guys, of course, as always, you actually need to wait for approval. So after you add the electric bike option, Uber will usually review your request. This usually does not take long, but it may vary depending on your location. Usually takes a few hours or even a few days, up to like 5 days, but it may vary depending on your location. Just check back in the app for any updates. And once, guys, Uber Eats actually approves your electric bike, you want to just go back to the vehicle section and set the electric bike as the primary method, guys. Set it as your primary delivery method. That way, Uber knows that you're actually using an electric bike for your deliveries from now on, guys. And there you go, guys. You're now all set to make deliveries with your electric bike. And this option will give you more speed than a regular bike and also help you tackle more deliveries without as much as a physical strain, guys. So if this guide was helpful, guys, give it a like, subscribe for more Uber Eats tips, and let me know in the comments if you're making the switch to electric bike deliveries. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy delivering. Smash that subscribe button